What's up everybody, Brian here again with attention to details. This is a 2022 Tesla, I believe this is a Y, right? Yeah, Tesla Y. We get so many in, I get confused after a while. This was a full wrap, which we've already done. You guys seen this car because we've been doing a lot of things in stages. Our client is having us totally customize this, so this has been in 3 or 4 times, adding on. So like I said, full wrap in the Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. We've done all the glass window tinting. Unfortunately, about 2 weeks ago, he had a rock come and hit his windshield. Just got it replaced. He brought it back in here to do some more customization. But we had the glass all coated with Expel Fusion glass coating, ceramic coating, 4-year warranty, no maintenance. We always keep on top of it 4 years. Once a year you come in, make sure it's still doing what it's supposed to do, but we do not charge for maintenance charges. And so we got Jose over here now with the new window in, and he's getting it all prepped and ready, and he's going to recoat this glass. Then what else we do? Back here, finally come in, put a custom carbon fiber spoiler on the back. Jose got that laid this today, so that come out good. And he done some other little touch-ups, but this is one that we can do here for you guys who want to check this out. So Jose completely tucked the interior out of this car. And we, if you sit back here a little bit, all custom interior. This isn't the vegan leather, this is real leather. We can do any patterns that you guys want, any color. Check that out, front and rear. Come out beautiful. And we've done a bunch of other things. We got the wood grain paneling that we put back there, and he's got some other accessories that we're adding on today. And just little bits and pieces all over around this car. We do have this car will be back, I think, in another 2 weeks. He just ordered custom, I believe it's 20 or 21 inch rims, I'm not sure on the size, but 20 for sure. And they'll be coming in, and then we're going to switch them out for him, and then he's going to keep going with some other things. So that's where this project is coming. We just wanted to showcase this on Teslas, or pretty much any car. We can do your basic wraps, your ceramic coatings, paint corrections, whatever you need, window tinting, or we can take things like this to the complete next level. If you're interested in anything like this, especially with a Tesla, their interior, give us a call at 219-628-0288. Come down and check us out. We can show you samples, you can pick your colors, we can make a complete custom package for you. Also, probably in another week or so, we already started on the 06 Ford GT here, and yeah, you've seen pictures of it, but this thing is staged prep. We got a lot of the pieces taken off of it already because we're wrapping everything on this. We're even wrapping pieces on all the aluminum bars in the engine here, support bars. Inside work, this car will be completely covered from head to toe in Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. So it's going to be a little bit longer than most jobs because we're doing a lot of custom work on this as well, so stay tuned for that. And then check out our videos. It's going to be, Kenny and I'll be shooting for next week because we got a lot of really cool vehicles that are rolling in again next week. We'll keep you posted on that. For now, love and happiness. Peace.